New Revo line starts now. Chassis line ready, and aligned. Frame looks solid. Tolerance, perfect. Revo needs strength.
The disease. Brake lock confirmed.
Engine specs verified. Slow, perfect. Transmission locked. All connections secure. Fuel line sealed. Cabin aligned. Door fit smooth. Front look aggressive. Lights synced. Color approved. Dashboard locked. Comfort level set. Control ready. Torque complete. ये व्हील रेवो कार के तैयार पर लगाइए. Engine smooth.
No errors.
Brake response perfect.
Movement smooth.
Brand sealed. Great job, team. Toyota Revo 2026. Built to last. Built tough. Looks powerful. Release it. Ready for roads.